Today we're going to install a mid-unit to a MUX Colorado Trailblazer, similar vehicle. We've taken the seats from the vehicle, putting the bolts back into their holes, and we're going to utilise the seat mounting bracket and the front seat mount here to hold the mid-unit into place. Position the frame into the vehicle. Start your bolts. Repeat it for the other side. Mounting plate, spacer side down, nut and washer. Onto the stud. Repeat the other side before tightening. And you position the bolt holes like so, bolting it in the appropriate positions with the cargo barrier mounts being already drilled and accepting an M10 bolt. With the aligning tool, line up all your bolt holes, start the bolts by hand. With all the bolts started, then you can now go through and tighten them up. Continue on for the second side. Okay, we've positioned the bolts for our cargo barrier that will go into the bolt holes. We've positioned our mounting brackets up into the roof, replacing the grab handle mounts. We lift the cargo barrier into place. And repeat for the other side. Once in position, tighten. Lifting the shelf into position, onto the brackets, positioning the bolts, secure the nuts. And do the same for the other side. We've tightened the shelf into position, noting that the shelf is able to be adjusted between 300 and to the height of the airbag cutouts. We can make a special shelf to go any higher, but it has to be inside of the cargo barrier cutouts for the airbag deployment.